Good morning, everyone. I, Krishwar, my head boy JKPS, have got the opportunity to welcome you all to JKPS Summer Camp 2020. Our culture has always taught us to put God Almighty in front of us so that we can have a wonderful beginning to a new phase. So I will request our dear principal, Ms. Vandana Sharma, to do the honors.
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
रोशनी देता था जो सूरज, आज सितारों की बारी आई है। समंदर तक पहुंचने की एक छोटे से झरने ने ठानी है। कर दो ऊंचा चाहे जितना आसमां को, उसे छूने की कसम हमने ठानी है। Good morning, this is Hetisha, head girl of JK Public School. As we all know, we are facing this pandemic crisis. But our school is organizing Summer Camp 2020 for the enjoyment of students.
सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को, दिल लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को। हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को, महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को। जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता। जय देव जय देव भाव भगति से कोई शरणागत आवे, संतति संपत्ति सब ही भरपूर पावे। ऐसे तुम महाराज मोको अति भावे, गोसावी नंदन निज दिन गुण गावे। जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता। जय देव जय देव हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। हरे
We all know how crucial and hazardous these times have been, but not to lose hope till the end has always been the motto of our Corona warriors. To move forward, we have Nilakshi, the cultural captain, with a song dedicated to our Corona warriors.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ। तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन।
Moving on to the event, I will request our dear Vice Principal, Ms. Shashi Ratan, to give you all a brief description about the Summer Camp 2020.
Hello students, let's go on an odyssey of adventures, enjoyment, exploration and seeking new pursuits and new avenues. I'm talking about the Summer Camp 2020. It's a one of its kind. You must have attended summer camps before, but those summer camps were the actual summer camps where you joined with your friends in different activities, in different pursuits. But this is a virtual summer camp because of the current situation of pandemic where we all are locked down in our own homes. But being locked down does not mean that we are not going to enjoy. It does not mean that we are not going to learn new things. It does not mean that we are not going to bond together, laugh together, play together, and sing and dance together. We are going to do all this on a virtual platform. In this summer camp, we shall be floating different activities every day, a lot of them. We have made videos, my team of teachers have made videos, and these are for you to explore, to watch, to enjoy, to imbibe, and then to create something of your own. This whole idea was conceptualized by our worthy principal, Ms. Vandana Sharma. She put this idea forward and brought together a team of people, of our staff members, who were called the Creative Think Tank. Now there are many people in this Creative Think Tank who have contributed in their own way. Some have contributed in creating the creatives, some have contributed in writing the story, some have contributed in collecting the videos. The other teachers, they have contributed in bringing forth different types of recipes or dance videos or sports videos or yoga videos. I mean, almost 40-50 people are involved who have created in some way or the other. It won't be amiss to take a few names who have been associated with this Creative Think Tank from the very beginning. Mr. Rishabh Prabhakar is there, who is our IT support and who shall be putting all this together actually to reach you. Then we have Sahiba Bashir, we have Ranjana, we have Harneet, Shivani Sambyal, Reena, and so many other teachers. Then we have the coordinators of middle wing, Sunita Trisal, and primary wing, Sonia Pawar, who in their own way have contributed. The idea behind this summer camp is to make your stay at home pleasurable, enjoyable, and also to make you explore some hidden talent that you may not have explored so far. You may be a good dancer, you may be a good singer, you may be good at theatre, you may be good at cookery, you may there might be some wonder chef inside you. Urging to go and urging to display his or her own talent, but you never got the chance. But now is your chance. Now you can explore all those areas, avenues that you have never explored before, and give it a go. Do it, whatever you have it. Just without any inhibitions, without any pretext, without any care in the world. Go ahead, explore your passion and do it. That's it. That's the Summer Camp 2020.
Opportunity comes to those who quit waiting and start looking. Success comes to those who quit thinking and start doing. Dearest Vandana, Principal JKPS Kunjwani, you are so creative, always love getting your perspective on things. You are on your way to doing some great things indeed. Your creativity is contagious. Keep passing it on. Congratulations and wish you luck for the virtual summer camp which shall be commencing with effect from 2nd June 2020. Every dreamer is not a doer and every doer is not a dreamer. You are the beautiful combination of a dreamer and a doer. Mrs. Suman Bamba, Principal JKPS Pantirthi.
At the end, we have Anchal to put forward a poem as a tribute to the nation that has not lost the hope that we can rise into a better tomorrow.
Hello everyone, I'm Anchal Sharma, a student of JK Public School Kunjwani, and today I'm going to present a poem as a tribute to all the frontline workers who are working 24/7 and saving lives. The poem is titled as मेरा भारत महान. सड़कें हैं अब लावारिस, घर पे बैठा इंसान है. जहाँ खेलते थे सब बच्चे, खाली वो हर मैदान है. मंदिर मस्जिद बंद हैं, खुली राशन की दुकान है. हौसला है फिर भी दिलों में, क्योंकि मेरा भारत महान है. अस्पतालों में जूझ रहे सब डॉक्टर इस वक्त इंसानियत के भगवान हैं. खाकी में निकले हर वीर सिपाही को इस देश का सलाम है. घर में रहकर हर नागरिक दे रहा अपना योगदान है. हौसला है फिर भी दिलों में, क्योंकि मेरा भारत महान है. पूरी दुनिया का दुश्मन आज एक है, पृथ्वी अब जंग मैदान है. सरहदों पर आज भी सिपाही दे रहा अपने प्राणों का बलिदान है. माना कि वक्त है मुश्किल, लेकिन इरादे चट्टान है. हौसला है फिर भी दिलों में, क्योंकि मेरा भारत महान है. थैंक यू.
Summer has always been the season of free spirits. Keeping this thought in mind, I would like to conclude in a hope that you all learn different attributes of life with free spirits and open minds. Thank you all.
Greetings to all on the first historic virtual summer camp organized by JKPS. I declare the summer camp open.